Icarus Design, Bangalore has developed an ENT or ear, nose, throat screening device targeted at independent physicians and specialists who have a small private practice and is specifically designed for health workers in rural settings. The multi-scope and recorder has a digital camera with a light attached to it, which makes it easier to see, and the quality of the image is also better. As a next step, there will be an integrated software system so that all patient data, audio, video, text information goes into a database that can be easily searched, retrieved, and transmitted.
This technology is called EntraView. It's essentially an endoscopic examination tool for ENT doctors. The way it works is typically in healthcare centers, if you see, there'll be one doctor and there'll be hundreds of patients to be seen. And the ENT doctor has just some very rudimentary tools like tongue depressor, torch, etc. And he doesn't have access to accurate endoscopic equipment. So this device is actually a portable device which he can use and look into the patient's ears or ear or nose or throat for that matter.
For many medical practitioners and practicing ENT surgeons, the diagnosis of an ENT condition is dependent upon examination of the ear, nose and throat using various devices that can help visualize inside the ear. But these require skill and experience of the doctor, and the findings are often inconsistent if the examination is improperly conducted. This leads to expenditure of time in making a confirmed diagnosis and warrants the need for confirmation or more detailed examination. This multi-scope and recorder is primarily going to be a screening device used by trained technicians in remote villages where there may or may not be doctors or only visiting doctors present.
And the workshop was very useful because it has networked us into many other opportunities that are possible to take this innovation forward. And we hope that that will help the innovation ecosystem in the country.
Helping achieve the aim to produce the multi-scope at a reasonable price to be used by trained technicians in rural settings for primary ENT screening and for telemedicine is the FICCI DST Lockheed Martin India Innovation Growth Programme.